global warming, they are basically doing that effort. So I hope that there always exists a gap between the industry and the academia. These are all degrees who have the owners of the various industries, and we are teaching the subjects in theoretical mode. So I hope that this student chapter will act as a bridge that will basically train our student for the practical skill set or practical obligation required by the industry. So I congratulate Department of Mechanical Engineering for taking such an initiative for the skill development of the students, and I hope that students from different domains will actively participate in this chapter and upgrade themselves with the industry. So I again welcome you all in this ISRE chapter oath taking ceremony, and I am really thankful to the dignitaries who have spent their valuable time to address our students to make Vidyapeeth Group of Institution a partner in this their social initiative. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Now I would request Rohit sir to escort our dignitaries upon the rise. Next, I would like to invite our special guest, Mr. Gaurav Chabra, Sir, President, ISRE Bhopal Chapter, to address our student and faculty. Can we have a huge round of applause for sir?
Good morning, dear students. That's good amount of energy which can be seen on all your smiling faces. I am Gaurav Chabra, President, ISRE Bhopal Chapter for the Society Year 24-25. I am sure many of you might have been connected with ISRE and you might be very inquisitive about what exactly ISRE is and what exactly ISRE does. First and foremost, I would like to thank the Director Sir, Mr. Rajiv Arya, Dean, faculties of Vidyapeeth Group of Institutions for inviting us to be associated with the institution. ISRE basically stands for Indian Society for Heating, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Engineers. We are a society which helps promote HVAC and R activities across the country. जैसा आप देख रहे हैं, we have a chapter in Bhopal, and so we have various chapters in different cities. The advantages that the students can get from ISRE is the vast amount of technical knowledge that is available with us. Any person, any student who wants to take HVAC and R as their career post-degree can certainly relate to ISRE as far as HVAC is concerned. We have a huge amount of journals for almost every topics. For example, on hospitals, on industries, on comfort applications, and various other applications throughout the industry. In addition to this, we have also started a job portal on ISRE site, where the companies which are engaged with ISRE upload their requirement on an annual or monthly basis, and according to your resume, you can certainly contact them for your employment opportunities. Further, we will also ensure that you are connected to the industry while we make attempts to make successful industrial visits for you all. And I'm sure you are going to gather much practical experience after visiting the sites that the HVAC and R industry does. With this, we wish you and ourselves a happy bonding together for the current society year 24-25. Thank you, dear friends.
Thank you, sir, for sharing invaluable sites. Moving ahead, I would like to invite our guest, Mr. Manmohan Bhagat, sir, for oath taking ceremony. Can we have a huge round of applause for sir?
Good morning, everybody. First, I would like to call Mr. Balaji, Rajivarya sir and Dean sir to take the charter of student chapter for Vidyarthi Institute. Now, Mr. Aditya Raj, I would like to call Mr. Aditya Raj on stage. अपना राइट हैंड उठा लीजिए. Mr. Aditya Raj, the general leadership of the student chapter is entrusted to you. You will act as chairman of the CWC and be a part of the committee of this chapter. You will give directions and leadership in all areas of chapter activity. As a chapter president, it will be your responsibility to ensure that the policy directives of the society and your CWC are carried out. After all, you are the one whom the members of this chapter can and will direct their criticism of policies and activities, and you must render satisfaction to them. All the privileges of this service carries with it a great honor, a real responsibility, and a lot of hard work. Do you, Mr. Aditya Raj, promise to fulfill the duties and responsibilities of your office as specified in the manual of the chapter operations? We know you will discharge your duties well and wish you much success and happiness in your terms of office. I am especially pleased on behalf of the members of ISRE to install you as the president of student chapter at AIST Bhopal. I shall now present you other officers and members of the working committee. Thank you. Mr. Mohammed Faiz. Mr. Mohammed Faiz, it will be your responsibility to keep the records of meetings, attend to correspondence, and be an aid to senior officers. Do you, Mohammed Faiz, promise to fulfill the duties and responsibilities of your office as specified in the manual of chapter operations? It is my pleasure to install you as the secretary of the student chapter, VIST Bhopal. Thank you. Mr. Abhishek Patil. Mr. Abhishek Patel will be your. It will be your duty to receive all the monies, pay all the authorized accounts, and give the accounting financially whenever you are called upon to do so. Do you, Abhishek Patel, promise to fulfill the duties and responsibilities of your office as specified in the manual of chapter operations?
Yes, sir.
It is my pleasure to install you as the treasurer of the student chapter at EIST Bhopal. You round of applause for all the officers of this student chapter. May I call upon Mr. Vyom to take the session forward. He will also, you can please take your seats. बिल्कुल.